Hi, welcome to our channel. I am one of the fan of Mr.Bean, enjoying his episodes every day. One of the most enjoyed one is that he made the comedy with his car. While seeing it, I have loved this car and searched for the name of this car. The name of his car is British Leyland Mini 1000 Mark IV. Mr. Bean's vehicle, a citron-green 1977 British Leyland Mini 1000 Mark IV with a matte black bonnet, was central to several antics such as Bean getting dressed in it, driving while sitting on armchair strapped to a roof, or attempting to avoid a car park fee by driving out through the entrance.